Okay, so to get multiple screens showing on your computer, what you have to do is click on this image right here and select the layout that you want. I have a 3-chart layout here, you guys. And I have it so that my symbol and my crosshair are all in sync. If you don't want that, you can just take that off, just in case, like, for example, you want to watch 3 different tickers or you want to change the ticker, then you need to take this off and you can change the ticker that you see in each window. You also want to make sure that this little sync button is on so that all your drawings transfer over to each chart. So for example, if I do this, it pops up on all my charts. If I don't have that on and I do this, it won't do that. And the reason why I say it's important to do that is because when I'm marking up my charts, and this is very important, when you're marking up your charts for the week, it has to be on this layout. It has to be on this layout. You then will click on the left chart and click the bottom right icon right here that says maximize. And you would do your top-down analysis like normal, just like you would normal on everything. And you have to have this on. If this is not on, it's not going to transfer to the other ones. So once you're done with your markups, you will see, you click on this again, and they all pop up and all of your markings will transfer over. Now, if you have not done that and you try to do it today, it's going to be frustrating. So I would wait till you mark up for the week. And the reason why I say that is because it's only going to show up in one window, and you would literally have to right click on each one, click no sync, and then go back and click sync for it to show up on the other charts. So I would not recommend doing that, especially it's the end of the week. I would just start off next week with clean charts, do exactly as I instructed, put the layout you want, click the window to the left, select this big window right here, do your top-down analysis like you normally do. And then when you're ready to trade, you do this, put the time frames you want, and you can observe it on 3 different time frames. Now you can save these layouts if you go here, unnamed, and you can just go ahead and say make a copy, and you can label it whatever you want to label it. So I have certain ones labeled for things that I trade, and that's pretty much it, you guys. And again, whichever window, if you want to look at like the 5-minute, you can click on the middle one and it'll highlight it in blue, and you just expand that. Oops, wrong thing. Sorry, I was looking at scripts yesterday. You expand it right here and your 5-minute is open. You want to go back, click this right here, and there you go. Did I miss anything?
No, that was perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Let me stop this.